bit of unboxing. Thank you to Sweet and LT Made for sponsoring today's video. So they sent me a pot and I'm excited for it. Cover. Oh my gosh, I like it. The gold, no, it's not gold, it's like a bronze. I'm liking this. This is a nice big size pot. This is their 8-quart stainless steel stock pot. It's quite nice. I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash it because Dan is cooking chili, so I'm going to wash it real good. And you get to see Dan cook the chili in this pot because I'm using it for the promotion. So let's get cooking. I don't know much about pots. Dan, what you think about this pot? You want to come over here and see?
Oh yeah, it's kind of thick. Nice and smooth. It should produce even heating. Don't fancy this too much.
What, handle?
Yeah, because if it was bolted in here, I knew it would last. These have a tendency to, after time, to break loose. There's no lip on here, so that's cool. It looks good.
We're going to cook in it and then you tell me how you like it.
Okay, I will.
So go ahead, give Dan this so you can start cooking. He's going to wash it.
Oh, I'm going to wash it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in the meantime, you're washing it. I'm going to show them now a gooseneck kettle they also sent me. So I'm going to do an unboxing with this one so you can see while Dan is washing that.
Okay.
There's something about Kettle that I love. Look at this. This is so pretty. And I chose the black one. So cute. I'm going to be using this a lot. The gooseneck kettle. And this is by Ariette. And I'm loving this. They're also on Amazon. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for both items. So look at this. Liking this kettle, it's so cute, and the handle, I don't know, it's so comfy. Nice grip. I'm going to use it a lot. It does come with a little cover, so you can cover it when it's not in use. And this is so nice. I can leave it on my counter. I'm loving this kettle, so I'm definitely going to use this a lot. Let me open the top so you can see it. So, thermometer, I'm really liking this. So, and it does come with this little holder thing to put it on. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box down below. I'm going to go ahead and film Dan cooking so you get to see him use the pot. And yeah, you get to see me use this later when I'm making some tea, but I'm going to go ahead and wash this thoroughly so I can use it a bit later.
Just allowing this to dry out because I washed it. Also to heat it up at the same time. Cooked the chili well. I didn't find a lot of food being burnt on the bottom of it, which is really good, especially since I didn't season. Normally I would season my pots, but you know, without seasoning it did pretty well. I think the proof of the pudding is in the tasting thereof, so once we taste it, even though it has nothing to do with the pot so much, but it's a pretty good cookware. Looks like it's going to clean up really good. It seems to retain heat very well. Handles here, they're not too hot. I mean, I can still grab the pot. I was concerned about that at first, but it did pretty well. I prefer the riveted type of handles here, especially on something stainless steel, you know, because I'm always concerned about these falling out over time. And it will take a couple of years, but still, that for the most part, I've noticed that these things fall off. Other than that, it's a really good pot. It looks nice. It's very clean looking. It holds on the burner real well. Doesn't slip and slide or anything like that. So it heats up really good too. Heats up very well. So, you know, I like it. It's pretty good. That lets you know that the fish wasn't ready for frying.